what that is, though. Yellows in the final sector now, because Marc Marquez is down at the chicane.
Marc Marquez in the gravel trap then in the Timmer chicane. Turn 16 then. An early get-off for the in-form reigning world champion. So down the road then goes Marc Marquez. Of course, you can see there he's adjusting the handlebars with his left hand. Trail braking onto the front. Into the gravel trap he goes. Yeah, Marc was not going to hang on to clutch for that one, was he? He was quickly going to let go of that factory Ducati as he went tumbling into the gravel trap. So, having set the 6th fastest time on day one so far here in Assen with a 1:32.757. There is more drama. He never does things the easy way, does he? The number 93. A couple of fairly harmless barrel rolls in the chicane gravel trap.